make these oatmeal cookies every weekend. I start with 120 grams of room temperature butter and 160 grams of white sugar. I mix the butter and sugar well. Then I add 1 egg to the butter mixture. Mix until the mixture is well combined. Next, add dry ingredients. 140 grams of sifted flour and 5 grams of baking powder. Make sure that all ingredients are completely combined and there are no lumps in it. Then I add 200 grams of old-fashioned rolled oats. Go ahead and combine this. Add some chopped fresh rosemary. You can replace the rosemary with marshmallows. They will melt and give the cookies a chewy texture and sweeter flavor. I love to add a lot of dried strawberries to the dough. I use a spoon to form the cookies and bake them in a preheated oven at 165 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. Our best oatmeal cookies are ready. Look at that! Doesn't that look amazing?